Hi, it's Kozue. Today I received these polishes from Lele. Thank you so much. The one on the left is guava pink and the one on the right is sunflower. Such adorable names. Guava pink and sunflower feel very summery, but I'm turning them into a warm, comforting autumn-winter design today. Here we go. After washing my hands, I wipe off any moisture and oils with ethanol. My thumb has a crack right now, so I reinforced it using tissue and a low allergy gel that's gentle even for people with gel sensitivities. It's called Jolly Gel. I bought it a few years ago at the Osaka Nail Festival. I'm applying Strong Guard as my base coat. I have several base coats I can use, like Ollie's base coat, OPI Nail Envy, and this Strong Guard, and they all hold up beautifully. Even though the wear is good, there are still nail polishes, so I removed them after about 10 days at the longest. I really like Strong Guard because the brush is so easy to work with. By the way, this is unrelated to nails, but I've decided to start a new job next year. Right now, I'm in that transition period where I have to handle both my current job and the new one, so it's been hard to find time to edit videos. Well, that's my little excuse. I applied 2 layers of Jolly Gel on the thumb, curing each time. After wiping off the sticky layer and filling it down, the surface becomes matte like this. I'm applying Lele's Sunflower. It's a slightly muted yellow, almost like mustard. I'm applying Guava Pink on the pinky. To be honest, I can't quite remember what color guava actually is. I think it's something like this. Or maybe it's supposed to be a bit more vivid. I'm applying sunflower on the ring finger as well, just like the thumb. With only one coat, the white part of the nail, the free edge, shows through a little. I'm applying guava pink on the middle and the index fingers. Lele's polished brushes are so easy to use. Not too thick, not too thin, just the perfect size. And the brush is really soft, which makes it so easy to apply. Brush softness is actually pretty important, isn't it? I let it dry for 7 minutes. Honestly, on days when I feel like taking it easy, it's already cute enough to call it finished right here. I'm applying the second coat of sunflower on the thumb. With 2 coats, the free edge is fully covered. Second coat of guava pink. Oh wow, when it deepens, it gets even cuter. And with 2 coats of sunflower on the ring finger, it shifts from sunflower to a much stronger mustard vibe. I'm applying the second coat of guava pink on the ring and index fingers. With 2 layers, it suddenly looks more like guava juice. Come to think of it, they sell guava juice in Hawaii, and I feel like it was kind of this color. Sorry, that was a very off-the-cut comment. I let it dry a little. First, I'm going to hand paint a plaid pattern. I wiped the excess polish off on the rim of the bottle. First, I drew a straight vertical line. I thought I was drawing it straight, but is it a little crooked? Depending on the angle, it looks straight. Next, I drew a straight vertical line on the ring finger as well. I made it a little thinner than the one on the thumb. Now I'm drawing the horizontal line. This part always makes me nervous. Stopping horizontal lines is tricky and drawing them by hand is tricky too. How did it go this time? Did I pull it off? This little pinky supporting my hand is the key. If I press too hard here, it might melt or scrape the sunflower layer underneath. so I'm doing this very gently. I'm drawing the horizontal line on the ring finger too. I'm so tense right now. Look, my other fingers are all stretched out straight. The pinky, the middle finger, even the index finger is sticking out. I'll let it dry a little and then do the stamping. This plate is from Temu. The stamping polish is from Walmart in Hawaii, and the stamper is also from Temu. There might be some dust on it, so I'm cleaning it with washi tape before using it. And here's my credit card look-alike scraper. Stamping a perfectly straight horizontal line is really hard, but maybe today is one of those lucky days? It was one of those days. Since I only need one thin line from the Maniology plate, I'm using the design on the edge. And now I'll stamp one more thin line. Okay, here comes the horizontal line, my weak point. Let's see, can I do it today? It's a little crooked, but it's fine. Now I'm stamping a thin line for the ring finger. I mean, not to brag, but I hardly ever mess up, do I? No, I think it's because the grooves on the Maniology plate are just the perfect depth. It turned out really cute, but something feels a little missing. So I decided to add a small hand-drawn detail. I'll do the same thing on the ring finger. Then I'm applying the Born Pretty non-smudge top coat oil. I'm applying the Wonder Nail top coat. I haven't really used this top coat much before, but it doesn't crack and it hardly makes any bubbles, so it's actually really nice. I usually apply 2 coats of top coat, but today I'm finishing with a matte layer. Wait, if I wanted a matte coat finish, I could have just done 2 coats of matte coat, right? Out of habit, I let the first layer of top coat dry for over 3 hours. Since I used it before and really liked it, I'm applying the OPI matte top coat. With matte top coats, you never really know how they look until they are dry, right? So I was all excited waiting to see how it would turn out this time, and then it took a bit of an unexpected turn. Oh, the matte finish turned patchy and uneven. Why did that happen? I reapplied this matte coat. I was really surprised that the OPI top coat went that patchy. I think it's because I didn't stir or shake it before using it. And this is how it turned out. Yes, this feels really good. I'm happy with it. A cozy, heartwarming winter nail design is complete. And here's how the right hand looks. Actually, I finished the right hand with the OPI matte top coat, and they turned out this nice. So the cause really was the lack of mixing. Before applying it to the right hand, I rolled the bottle gently, and that gave me this beautiful matte finish. So to make sure I don't forget next time, I wrote mix it on the bottle. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!